When configuring search engines, one of the important things we need to look at is how a field should match the data entered into the search form. And for that, we're looking at this field here within a text field. So we've got three options, exactly the same: all the words or any of the words. First of all, before looking at this, we need to make sure that in our options page we have show score for each row ticked, and on our front end it will say that we are in test mode. So first of all, let's have a look at that database. It's number 4. Actually, it's not a database, it's a search. So it says any of the words from this field in it, and let's see what we get in terms of scoring. We'll search on Peter and we'll see what happens. So we can see an actual match of Peter gets the highest score, and then if fewer words are matched, the lower the score. So J is counted as a word here, which is why it's near the bottom, and fill-in is counted as a word. It's below Peter and above Peter J. Jones. So let's have a look at some different behavior by changing this field here. Let's do exactly the same and we'll see what happens here. Now, one thing I need to remind you of is minimum score under the search criteria. In relation to this score here, we have said that a minimum score is 0. The text entered into the field should match in the database exactly the same. So I'm going to enter Peter again and we'll see what we get. So we can see that Peter, Phil and Peter J. Jones get a score of 0. So if we upped our minimum score to 1, they wouldn't appear. As is the way with search engines, they do give a little bit of flexibility when it comes to matching. So we've got 0 there, so let's have a look at the other option, which is the third option. And we go down here and we're going to say all of the words, which may sound like exactly the same, however we get slightly different behavior. So we'll reset this and we'll Peter again, and we'll now see that Peter Jones and Peter Fern get a higher score. It's not the highest, however, if we were to set our minimum score to 1, it would match in this instance, but it wouldn't match in the other instance.